here it is in all its glory. So we got the backcountry hammer mod right there. Put that on. So you open up here, get your inside bits. Use that for pounding shit in. Also, t-shank adapter. Very nice. Replace my saw with that. So I had big scissors to replace the knife because I carry enough knives that I don't need a knife. But I had some issues, so I had to take that off. But still got a lot of mods. We got the voltage switch. It does voltage detection. Also it tells you the voltage of your batteries, temperature, a lot of stuff. $40. That's a good deal. Get you one. Goes right in your bit holder. And also, what a lot of people don't have, but this Leatherman does, is an awl. As you can see, it's a nice awl. Put that there in place of the flat blade screwdriver. Still kept my micro driver bit. So, one of the neatest things about this, which most of y'all don't have, is this right here. Y'all got one of those? I don't think so. Cause you know what it is? You know what it is? Tweezers. Got these coming out custom right now, $32. It's a little pricey, but hey, it's the only one around. And for all those people that wanted tweezers, you got tweezers that lock in place. Custom those out right now. Still got my file. And then also, as you can see, I got a bit driver. Leatherman bit driver. It's nice. Work Pro. These are fantastic. Have those in there.